The sales of Redmi K20 Pro, also known as Mi 90 Pro, will be stopped this month. This device was launched in May last year. This confirmation comes from Xiaomi VP Liu Weibing through a post on Chinese social network site Weibo. He didn't mention anything about the normal K20, so it's safe to say that this variant will remain to be available for purchase. So, if you had asked me before this announcement, should I buy the Redmi K20 Pro? I would have said definitely. It's a great deal for the price, and the specifications and quality that you're getting in this price is unbeatable. But after this announcement, my opinion has surprisingly changed. You might say that why has had my opinion changed? Because this is probably the only time that I could buy the K20 Pro, as it will soon be stopped from selling in the markets. Well, the answer is kind of okay. I'll explain it to you. So, the Redmi K20 was a great device, just like the K20 Pro for the price. And now they have launched the Redmi K30, and it absolutely whoops the ass of Redmi K20 in all departments, and that's really no surprise. But the surprising point is that the price is quite similar to the Redmi K20 and even lower in some markets like India, where it has launched as Poco X2. The only place where I see that the Redmi K20 is better is that it has no notches, no punch hole displays, which the Redmi K30 has, and the Redmi K20 has an AMOLED panel while the Redmi K30 has an IPS panel. So, back to the point, why should you wait for the Redmi K30 Pro? Well, it's simple. Why would Xiaomi stop selling the Redmi K20 Pro? Generally, Xiaomi keeps selling its device that has launched for several years, 2, 3, and in some cases even 4 years in several markets. So this is a big surprise. And what does this tell you? It tells us that the price of K30 Pro will be very close to the price of K20 Pro, and they do not want this overlap to happen. So basically, if you buy the K20 Pro now, you could have waited and bought the Redmi K30 Pro at probably just a tinsy more bit price. And in that, in my opinion, is kind of a waste of money, because you could have gotten a next generation device for just a bit of a higher price, and you didn't go for that. And after the launch of K30 Pro, probably the stock that is left of K20 Pro will get even cheaper. So my suggestion to you is wait for the launch of K30 Pro. Do not go out to buy the K20 Pro now, because there's probably a reason why Xiaomi is stopping selling it. And I don't know anything about when the Redmi K30 Pro is going to launch, but it is going to have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, 8GB of RAM and Android 10, which will be likely layered with MIUI 11 on top. And it is rumored to support a quad camera setup on the back with a 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 main unit, and it will pack a 4700 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging. So even if the price of K30 Pro increases and is more by say 20 to 30% than the Redmi K20 Pro, I think it's worth waiting for the Redmi K30 Pro. More details on the Redmi K30 Pro should arrive soon. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And if you are still wanting to get the Redmi K20 Pro, I'll tell you who should get the Redmi K20 Pro. The person who wants to buy a smartphone right now, or say within the next couple of weeks, and can't really wait for the Redmi K30 Pro to launch and then become available and then go through the flash sale mechanism, they should definitely get the Redmi K20 Pro, because it's a great price for the smartphone and you won't be disappointed by it. But if you can wait, if you have an older device that isn't that fast, but you can still hold on to it for a month or so, I would say you could wait for the Redmi K30 Pro. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I'll see you in my next video.